Hallo Freunde, wie geht es Ihnen? Es geht mir gut. Today we are going to work upon Fragewörter, question words. Los geht's! Ich heiße Aparna and today we are going to discuss about Fragewörter. That means question words. Frage, the word Frage means questions and Wörter means words. A Wörterbuch means a dictionary. Okay, so let's begin with Fragewörter now. We are going to address only 3 Fragewörter in this episode. The first one is wo. 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 W-O. Wo means where. Like for example, you can say Wo bist du? It's an informal sentence. Wherever you're using the word du, it is an informal sentence. Wo bist du? Oder wo sind Sie? Where are you? Formally if you want to ask. Let's move on to the second Fragewörter. Where. Where. W-E-R. Where means who. Like you can ask where is das Chef? So if you hear it and try to understand it in English, you would understand it as where is das Chef? But actually in German, the word where means who. So who is the chef? Here in German, the word chef means boss. So who's the boss? So where is das Chef? Or where is das? Who is that? If you want to just ask a simple question, who is that? Where is das? Moving on to the third Fragewörter, was. Was means what. If I want to say was means what, I can also say was bedeutet what. That means was means what. So for was you can use was machst du morgen. That means was what machst du. What are you doing? Morgen, tomorrow. Was ist das? That is, what is that? Okay? So I am quite sure these 3 Fragewörter are very easy. The only trick is if you see wo and where is a cross sign between where and who. So I'll just denote it here so that you could understand wo ist where and where is who. I think this video has helped you with 3 Fragewörter and their Beispiele. Beispiele means examples. Please comment below with one of the questions and see how much have you learned from this video. Keep watching, learn German my way. Meet you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Dankeschön. Cheers.